Good evening students. In the previous video we are discuss about the complete description of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes mean that the aliphatic part of the carbon as well as the halogen bond, and today we are discuss to the description of haloarenes. What is the haloarenes? Haloarenes in which the alkyl group is substituted by benzene group or benzene derivative compounds. Correct. If we revise the 11th class, it is the first method that is the halogenation of the aromatic compounds. If we discuss in the 11th class, then you know that the benzene or benzene derivative have the characteristic reaction that is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. Means that attacking reagent is electrophile and reaction type is substitution. Correct. So if the benzene is react with the chlorine or bromine, but we cannot take fluorine and iodine in this reaction. Why? In case of fluorine, if we take the fluorine, then fluorine is most electronegative element in the periodic table, so that this reaction will be uncontrolled, and that's why we cannot take the fluorine. But in case of iodine, the reaction becomes reversible and the yielding means that the production of the product will be very less quantity, so that we cannot take the fluorine as well as the iodine. So if we want to the formation of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, we can use this reaction. Benzene react with chlorine, FeCl3, it is a Lewis acid. What is the meaning of the Lewis acid? Lewis acid is the compound which do not complete their octet. Correct. If we see what is the role of FeCl3, FeCl3 is used for the formation of electrophile, help in the formation of electrophile. In this part, this Cl or this H will be eliminated in the form of HCl, and this chlorine will be added in place of hydrogen and formation of the chlorobenzene. In case of bromobenzene, this temperature will be quite larger as compared to the 310 to 320 Kelvin. Complete. So first reaction, that is formation of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene from the benzene. This part is also present in the class 11. If we see next part, it is also the aromatic hydrocarbon, it is the toluene, and when react with the halogen, same chlorine or bromine in presence of Fe or dark, then in the same manner if you know that CH3 is the ortho para directing, it means that this halogen will attach at the ortho position or 180 degree, means para position. If you see here, there is the ortho position and it is the para position. So this compound is called as ortho halo toluene. It is para halo, or it is called as toluene. Correct. Now the second methods of preparation. If we see the second methods of preparation, it is benzene diazonium salt. If you remember that in aliphatic compound, it is very important, but in aromatic it is the benzene diazonium compound by which we can form any compound of the aromatic. So it is very important, benzene diazonium salt. So if we see the methods of preparation of, first we form benzene diazonium salt from the NH3. You are the student of the class 12, so it is very important. If you see, this is called as aniline. What? It is aniline. When we react with NaNO2 in presence of HCl, correct, and another compound, another reactant we can take, as you see that HNO2, nitrous acid, HNO2. Here there is a formation of HNO2, or temperature will be fixed. There temperature is 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, and if you want to make them in Kelvin, as you know that 273 to 278 Kelvin. This temperature will be also given for this reaction, and it is the formation of diazonium N2, this N for N2, and this chlorine is called as diazonium chloride. If we want to the halogen, if we react to the chlorine or bromine, then this nitrogen will be removed in presence of copper, CuCl2. This copper is released with this chlorine, and this chlorine will be present this carbon. If you see the reaction, if you see this Cl will be eliminated, and it can form this chlorine will be attached at this carbon, correct? In the same, bromine will be attached in this part, so there is a formation of bromobenzene, correct? So these are the two types, means it from this reaction we can form chlorobenzene as well as bromobenzene, correct? It is very important name reaction. It is called as Sandmeyer reaction, and it can be present from aniline, or it can be start from the benzene diazonium chloride. Both of the reaction is very, very important. Next, B part, it is called as Gattermann reaction, and if you see the Gattermann reaction,